Hello students, today we'll be doing some more question on finding the coefficient, of various powers of x. So write the first question. Find the coefficient of x power 11 in the expansion of 2x square plus 5x plus 3 to the power 6. So we'll check whether this 3 terms is factorizable or not, because the previous question which we were doing was consisting of only 2 terms, but now here you have got 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. So we will check whether we can factorize this expression or not. 2x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 3. Yes, it is factorizable. 6. When we take x common from these first 2 terms, you are left with 2x plus 3. Plus from here you can take 1 common, right? So you will be left with 2x plus 3 whole to the power 6. So 2x plus 3 x plus 1 whole to the power 6. 2x plus 3 power 6. The power 6 will come to both the brackets, x plus 1 to the power x plus 1 to the power 6. Now we have got 2 different binomial expansion. So we will first expand this, and then we will try to multiply to get the coefficient of x power 6. I mean x power 11, right? Yes, x power 11. So 2x plus, what was that? 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 power 6 x plus 1 power 6. So we'll first try to expand this one. 6c0 2x power 6 plus 6c1 2x power 5 3 plus 6c2 2x power 4 3 square plus 6c3 2x power 3 3 power 3 plus 6c4 2x power 2 3 power 4 plus 6c5 2x power 1 3 power 5 3 power 5 plus 6c6 2x power will be 0, so no need to write 3 power 6. This is our first expansion. Now we'll look at the second one, x plus 1 to the power 6. So 6c0 x power 6 plus 6c1 x power 5 plus 6c2 x power 4 plus 6c3 x power 3 plus 6c4 x power 2 plus 6c5 x plus 6c6 x power 0. you need to find x power 11, the coefficient of x power 11. So we will multiply each term in the first bracket to each term in the second bracket, and we will see which combination gives x power 11. Okay, the rest we won't be writing because we need x power 11. So what's the use of writing x power 9, x power 7? We'll just reject it. Okay, now look here. When you multiply the first term here, 60 with this, do you get x power 11? No, right? When you multiply the first term in the first bracket with the second term in the second bracket, what do you get? Yes, we are getting x power 11. So what is the coefficient here? 6c0 2 to the power 6 into 6c1. No need to write x power 11 because we are finding the coefficient. Okay, so let us try to find the other combination. Take the second term in the first bracket and try to multiply with each term in the second bracket. See, the first combination itself is giving x power 11. So 6c1 2 to the power 5 into 3, leaving x, the remaining other coefficient. Okay, and in the second bracket it is 6c0. Check for this. Here you have got the power of x is 4. So in order to make 11, you need 7, x power 7. Is there any x power 7 in this expression? No. Here it is x power 3, so you will be needing x power 8. There is no x power 8 in this expression in the second bracket, so you will be getting further. So I think these two are the perfect combination, okay, which are given x power 11. So let us try to solve this. 60 is 1, 2 power 6 is 64 into 6 plus 61 is 6, 2 power 5 is 32 into 3, 60 is 1. So solve this. How much answer you are getting? 64 into 6 will be 384 plus 6 into 32 into 3, 576. What is your answer? 960 is your answer. That is coefficient of x power 11. Okay, now we will solve one more question. Read the other question. Find the coefficient. Find the coefficient of x cube in the expansion of 1 plus 2x minus x cube to the power 4. You got to note one thing here. This expression written in the bracket is not factorizable. So in that case, what you will do, write a note. Okay, I will tell you. If factorization is not possible use the concept of grouping. The expression which are not factorizable, here you will be using the concept of grouping. So let's try to solve this. The first two term here, that is 1 plus 2x, we will take it as 1. Okay, we'll group it. 1 plus 2x is one group, and the other group is x power 3 whole power 4. Okay, so this is your first term here, and this is your second term. Now expand this using the binomial theorem. Okay, 4c0 1 plus 2x to the power 4 plus, you will be writing here minus, because see here you have given minus. Okay, note carefully, here it is minus, so you will be using alternate plus minus plus minus. I have taught you the formula how it comes minus. Okay, now write it. 4c1 1 plus 2x to the power 3 x 3 plus 4c2 1 plus 2x to the power 2 x to the power, here the second term is x cube and the suffix of c is 2. So when you take this suffix to the power of x cube, it becomes x power 6 minus, it goes on, right? So the higher degree of x we will not write. Okay, here what is, we need to find the coefficient of x cube. So from the first two term only we will be finding the coefficient of x cube, because even in the third term you see here you have got x power 6, and the lowest power of x here in this bracket, when you expand it, will be 0, but when it gets multiplied with x power 6, the lowest power will be again x power 6. So this is also rejected, no need to write. Okay, the first two terms itself will be giving the coefficient of x cube. What is 4c0? 4c0 is nothing but 1. Okay, 1 plus 2x to the power 4 1 plus 2x to the power 4. What was the other term? 4c1 is 4. Okay, and 1 plus 2x cube. 4c1 is minus 4 1 plus 2x cube okay, 1 plus 2x cube x cube. So here you need to find the coefficient of x cube. So just write the general term. What will be the general term here? tr plus 1. What is that? 4cr 1 to the power 4 minus r, no need to write. 2x to the power r minus 4 times x cube into, just expand this, you know the formula, a cube minus a cube plus 3a square b. 3a square b means 6x plus 3ab square, so it will be 2 of x square. Of x square. okay, 3ab square plus b cube, 8x cube. Outside is x, outside already I have written along with 4, so no need to write. In this term, how do you find the coefficient of x power 3? The only thing you know that we must have r equals to 3. So when we put r equals to 3, we will be getting the coefficient of x cube in this term, okay, here in this term. Remaining we don't need, right? So put r equals to 3, you get 4c what 3 2 to the power 3. No need to put r equals to 3 to the power x, okay. We just need the coefficient. Now in the second term, you see, when you multiply 4x cube with 1, what do you get? 4. You need the coefficient of x cube, so just ignore x cube. When you multiply 4x cube with this, you will be getting x power 4. When you multiply again this with this, you will be getting x power 5. This, so you need coefficient of x cube, so no need to multiply with the rest terms. So from here you will be getting only 4. Solve this. 4c3. How do you solve? 3 decreasing number starting from 4. 4 into 3 into 2. This is 3 decreasing number starting from 4 multiplied 3 decreasing number starting from 4, and in the denominator the factorial of 3. 3 into 2 into 1, and 2 cube is nothing but 8 minus 4. 3 3 2 2 gets cancel out, so here you are left with 8 4s are 32 minus 4. Your answer is 28. This is your answer. Let me give you one more question. You try it, okay? And if you are unable to solve it, please comment me. I will help you in solving this problem. But first you write the question. Find the coefficient just leave it. Try other question. I'll be giving you the new question. The coefficient of 3rth and r plus 2th terms of 1 plus x to the power 2n are equal. Find the relation between r and n. Here the coefficient of 3rth and the r plus 2th term in the expansion of this 1 plus x to the power 2n are equal. You have to find the relation between r and n, okay? Just give it a try. In the next video I will try to solve you this question, okay? But first you give it a try. Now let us move to another topic, finding the term independent of x, okay? Here In the previous video and in this video I taught you how to find the coefficient of various powers of x. Now we will be seeing the term independent of x, that is the term which does not contain x. Okay, let us understand this through examples. Write the question. Find the term independent of x in root x plus 1 by x square to the power 12. Okay, here power is what? 1 to 12. So how do you find the term independent of x here? Similar to the previous questions, first we will be finding the general term, that is tr plus 1. So what is the general term? 12cr root x to the power 12 minus r 1 by x square to the power r. Okay, so solve this one step further. 12cr leave as it is, equals to 12cr x 12 minus r by 2. The second term was 1 by x square, right? So you will be writing x minus 2r. Okay, 1 by x square you can write it as x power minus 2 and it is the power r, so this minus 2 and r gets multiplied. Write one more step. 12cr, the power of x gets add up. Okay, x power 12 minus r by 2, it gets add up, but here we have minus 2, right? So it will be this. Now we must have minus r by 2 minus 2r should be equals to 0. In order to make the term independent of x, the power of x should be 0. Okay, so whatever is the power of x here, we'll equate this to 0. 12 minus r by 2 equals to 2r. 12 minus r equals to 4r. This implies 12 equals to 5r. What do you get r? 12 by 5. What is this? It is a what? Fraction. R cannot be fraction. Okay, not possible. Therefore there is no term independent of x. Therefore there is no term independent of x. Let us try one more question on finding the term independent of x. Write it down. find the term independent find the term independent of x in 3x square by 2 minus 1 by 3x power 9. So in this question also you will be writing the general term first. What is the general term? T r plus 1 is our general term. 9cr 3x square divided by 2. Here the power will be difference of these two, 9 minus r, and the second term has minus 1 by 3x to the power r. I have taken minus with this term 1 by 3x, or you can write it separately outside, minus 1 to the power r, as I have given you in the formula. So now bring this minus 1 to the power r here, 9cr. Here you will be getting 3. This power 9 minus r will go to each and every, and then 9 minus r divided by 2 power 9 minus r. X has got a power 2, so when 2 gets multiplied with 9 minus r, it becomes 18 minus 2r, and here again in the denominator you have 1 by 3 to the power r, x to the power r. Okay. Let us make it little simple. Minus 1 to the power r, 9cr, 3 to the power 9 minus 2r. This 3 and this 3 I am combining it. Okay. In the denominator you are left with 2 9 minus r, and power of x comes to be 18 minus 3r. So in order to find the term independent of x, again here we must have what? 18 minus 3r equals to 0. Okay, so from here 3r equals to 18. This implies r equals to 6. Okay, the value of r is 6. So what is the term independent of? Which term will be independent of x? So tr plus 1, it will be t6 plus 1. So t7th term will be independent of x, but you need to find the 7th term. Okay, so here you got r equals to 6. Hold on. R equals to 6. Okay, so just find the term independent of r power 6. Tr plus 1. Therefore the term independent of x is t6 plus 1 equals to minus 1 power 6. 9c6 9c6 3 power 9 minus 2r 9 minus 12 and 9 minus 6 9 minus 12 divided by 2 power 9 minus 6. This is our term independent of x. T7 minus 1 to the power 6 will be 6. 9c6 is same as 9c3. 9c 9 minus 6. 3 power minus 3 divided by 2 power 3 is equals to 9 into 3 decreasing numbers starting from 9. 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 into 2 cube into 3 cube. This 2 cube and 8 gets cancel out. 3 3s are 9. Got this 3 here, will be left 2. So in the numerator you are left with 7, and in the denominator you are left with 2 here and 9 here. 9 to the 18. This is your required answer, the term independent of x. Okay, now let me give you one more question. This question was asked in IIT JEE. Okay, write it down. Find the term independent of x in x plus 1 divided by x 2 by 3 minus x power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x minus 1 x minus x power half 10. And the options given were A 4, D 120, C 210, D 310. So how do you solve? Again, here you have given two terms, but the terms are very complex. Okay, so first you need to simplify the term inside the bracket, and then we will find the term independent of x. Let us try. See the first term here. In the numerator it is given x plus 1, and in the denominator it is given x power 2 by 3 minus x power 1 by 3 plus 1. So can you observe this, that this is nothing but the expansion of the formula a cube plus b cube. In the numerator you see, you can write x, okay, a cube plus b cube. Write this as a is 1 by 3. Can you write this? plus divided by x power 2 by 3 minus x power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus, take x power half common from here. So from here in the numerator, here you are left with x power half minus what? X power minus half, okay? X power minus half. Can you solve this? When you take x power minus half, not bad. I think this is not the correct process. Just check. How can you write this x? You can write x power half, okay? 2 minus 1 square divided by x common, so here you are left with x power half minus 1, isn't it? The whole to the power 10. Look at this. Look at the first term here in the numerator. You are given a cube plus b cube. How do you write the formula? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square divided by x power 2 by 3 minus x power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus, again in the numerator you are given a square minus b square. Here in the second term it is given a square minus b square. So how do you write? A plus b x power half plus 1 x power half minus 1 minus 1, okay? And in the denominator you are given x power half minus 1. So these two terms gets cancelled out, right? The whole power is what? 10. Here these two terms gets cancelled out. So in the first term you are left with x power 1 by 3 plus 1, and in the second you are left with, divide this x to each term here in these two. So in the first bracket you will be left with x power minus half, okay? You have taken what? You have taken here x half common, okay? Not x half is common. So when you divide this, you will be getting here 1 plus x power minus half whole power 10. So how do you solve this? X power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x power minus 1 by 2 to the power 10. This one gets cancelled out, okay? So in the bracket you are left with x power 1 by 3 x power 1 by 3 minus x power minus 1 by 2 to the power 10. So we have just simplified this complicated expression into very simple expression, okay? So now let us write the general term tr plus 1. How do you write tr plus 1? 10 cr x power 1 by 3 10 minus r minus x minus 1 by 2 to the power r. So in this term there is minus, right? So bring it here. R 10cr x power 10 minus r by 3 x power minus r by 2. So again we must have what? The power of x should be 0. Add this to power 10 minus r by 3 minus r by 2. We are adding the power of x. It comes out to be 0. So 10 minus r by 3 will be equal to r by 2. Cross multiply it. 20 minus 2r equals to 3r. So what is the value of r we are getting from here? 20 equals to 5r. R equals to 4, isn't it? So what was our general term? Our general term was minus 1 power r 10c r. The remaining is x, so no need to write. So minus 1 power 4. The term independent of x is fifth term. Therefore the term independent of x is t4 plus 1 equals to minus 1 power 4 10c 4. Okay, so minus 1 power 4 is what? Nothing but 1. Okay, 10c4. How do you write? 4 decreasing number starting from 10. 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 divided by factorial of 4. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 3 3s are 4 2s are 8. So 3 7s are 21. This is your answer. So your correct answer will be option C. This is your correct answer, option C, 210. Okay, now let us try one more question. Find the number of rational terms. Okay, take this question. Find the number of rational terms in 2 power 1 by 2 plus 3 power 1 by 3 to the power 100. Okay, we need to find the number of rational terms. Again, in this question we will be writing the general term first. T r plus 1 equals to 100 c r 2 power half half 100 minus r 3 power 1 by 3 power r. So let's simplify 100 cr. This is 2 power. Multiply half with both these two terms, you will be getting 2 power 50 minus r by 2 and 3 power r by 3, isn't it? 100 minus r. Okay, good. So 100 cr here, bring 2 power 50 separate. This is 3 power r by 3 divided by 2 power r by 2. We can write like this. Okay, so in order to get the number of rational terms, here r should be divisible by 3, but at the same time r should be divisible by 2 also, because when you take the multiple of 3, like 3, 6, 9, 6 is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by, okay, 6 is divisible by 3 as well as 2, so good. But 9, when you take 9, 9 is divisible by 3, but it is not divisible by 2. So in order to take a number which is divisible by both 3 and 2 at the same time, it should be a multiple of 6. Okay, so multiple of 6, these are already rational terms. You will be getting an integer number. So the only thing you need to concentrate is here. So r should be multiple of 6. If r is a multiple of 6, you are getting the rational terms. Okay, so r should be multiple of 6. Total number, how many you have given? Up to how many 6 you can go? 100, right? So just take 6, 12, 18, you go up to 100. How many multiple of 6 are there in 100? Very simple, right? Just divide 100 by 6. 6 ones are 6, 4, 0, 6 6 are 36. Finish. There are 16 multiple of 6. Okay, so the total number of rational terms will be, therefore total number of rational terms is 16. Is this correct? Just check once more. Is it correct, or the answer is something else? Well, just see. You are counting the multiple of 6 up to 100, so you got 16 number. You started counting from 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, and you went up to 100, so you got 16. But can you observe something? There is r, a value of r you are missing. What is that? There is r equals to 0. Okay, when you put r equals to 0 here, you will be getting 3 power 0, that is 1, 2 power 0, that is 1. Then r is what? R equal to 0 is also a value which is giving a rational term. So the total number of rational term will be 16 plus 1, that is equals to 17. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, thank you student. I will continue in my next class. Okay.